We reach into our closets on a daily basis, so why not make them easy to navigate? It may sound like a tall order, but with the closet kit, you can create a spacious storage system that suits your life and your needs. Whether your dream closet features shelves galore, towers of drawers, or color-coordinated bins, there's a kit out there for you. Anytime you can have a closet system put in place is a good thing, says Jennifer Truesdale, CPO and founder of STR8 Professional Organizing Services. You just want to make sure you're setting yourself up for success. Her advice: take inventory of your belongings before drilling any holes. Design for who's going to use it and what kind of categories they're going to have, she says. Whether that means tall rods for long hanging dresses, shelves for sweaters and jeans, or plenty of baskets for small essentials, once you've done the initial work of decluttering and sorting, you'll have a clear sense of what will work for you. There are many products available to choose cheap closet systems, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap closet systems from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Closetmaid Closet Maximizer. The aesthetically pleasing, cost-effective Closet Maximizer from Closetmaid gives you more than 8 feet of shelving and up to 24.5 extra inches of rod space, while still smartly utilizing your existing rod or upper wire shelving. We love it as our best budget pick because unlike many options in its under $100 price range, it offers solid laminate wood shelving, so garments won't catch or snag on wire. Its 4 shelves are positioned 12.5 inches apart, so they comfortably hold bins, stacks of clothes, or loose items. It's also extremely versatile. You can clip it onto your upper closet shelf for existing rod, and easily remove it for use in another closet. While we like the practicality of this design, it may be a disadvantage for some who prefer a more secure setup, or who are looking specifically for solutions that can maximize upper space in their closet. Number 2. Closetmaid 1608 Closet Organizer Kit with Shoe Shelf. This 6-mount closet organizer kit from Closetmaid is just what you need if you're overwhelmed by adjustable and customizable options. With a sleek and simple design that prioritizes shelf and hanging space, plus an added shoe rack that will keep your favorite footwear off the floor, it gives you lots of open and flexible space that's perfect for bin and basket storage. We love that the price rivals that of our best budget choice. It's worth mentioning that this set doesn't include standalone rods, rather the wire shelves have a lower rack that can hold hangers underneath. This design means your clothes will end up in separate sections for some. This could be a benefit and bonus organizational feature, though others may be annoyed by not being able to push hangers more than a few inches. The other downside is that, unlike many closet kits out there, these shelves are not adjustable. Still, we think it's more than worth the investment and will likely be the simple, elegant solution many closets need. Number 3. Can Do Freestanding Open Wardrobe. With 4 built-in wire storage baskets, solid shelving, a garment rod, and both upper and lower slatted shelves that match the entire width of the piece, the 2-tone Can Do Freestanding Open Wardrobe is a polished and practical choice that you can use in your closet or against an empty wall. We especially like how the garment rod is positioned high enough to comfortably hold long dresses or jackets, and how the slatted shelf design gives you a peekaboo view of what you're storing up above and serves as great shoe storage below. While the slats may not be everyone's preference because small items will need a separate bin or basket, and the freestanding nature of the design is less stable than wall units, it's still a worthy piece to consider if you're not interested in or able to install a full kit. It's also a breeze to assemble, thanks to the included shelf clips, and can be done tool-free by one person. Number 4. Rubbermaid Expandable Closet Shelf Kit. The Rubbermaid Expandable Closet Shelf Kit is another offering from the Configurations line, which has previously demonstrated excellence in the spruce's testing and research. This set of shelves, rods, and racks can be positioned as a slim 24-inch tower of storage, or a shorter and wider 48-inch version. We love the versatility of this set, and see it working well for linen closets, laundry storage, and bedroom closets, in need of additional shelving that won't overwhelm. As beloved as this closet system is, keep in mind that it's not as dense as wood versions, it's also not as bulky, which may be considered an added benefit. When we tested a similar model, this type of shelf bowed under high weight. Despite this limitation, the Rubbermaid Configurations line has proven itself time and time again, which is why we don't hesitate to heartily recommend it for small spaces. Number 5. Rubbermaid Configurations Deluxe Closet Kit. Creating the organized closet of your dreams doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. When limited by both your storage space and your budget, this 3 to 6 foot system adds shelving solutions to your closet or pantry, while remaining durable and easy to install. Even though there aren't any drawers, the 6 shelves provide an ample amount of space for shoes, folded sweaters, and much more. The setup includes 2 clothing rods at different heights, which is a great way to separate your clothes and make it easier to find pants, shirts, or dresses at a glance. When fully set up, you get 12 feet of hanging space and 18 feet of shelving with the Rubbermaid configurations closet kit. If you're looking for something a little bigger, Rubbermaid also offers a 4 to 8 foot closet system, 12.85 x 96 x 72, for a very similar price, that creates up to 22 feet of shelving space across 6 shelves, and up to 12 feet of hanging space across 3 clothing rods. Once mounted to the wall, you'll be super impressed with just how sturdy the metal wire design is. However, it's important to note that the manufacturer doesn't recommend putting more than 25 pounds of weight on each shelf at a time. Because of this, you won't be able to store heavy boxes or other bulky items on this closet system without risking damage to your wall. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.